Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you joined me today. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm happy to do it today. I have a project share that I am going to enter into #SatMoreMakes, which is hosted by Jill Norwood. It's an open collab, and all Jill asks is that you create something, keep your creative juices flowing, post your project or whatever you do to #SatMoreMakes. Also, I'm going to enter this into Two Crafters, One Design, which is hosted by Gloria of Girliest Cards, Lisa of UCY Madiba, and Melissa at Mo Creations. Now, the ladies at Two Crafters, One Design, they always have a theme. And I was making myself a little notebook, and I said, you know what? This will be good for Two Crafters, One Design. So, here's my project share. Their theme for this week is music. So, I needed a little notepad that I needed to keep up by my phone to write down stuff, especially, little doctor's appointment things and stuff. I never have a thing on my table when I'm ready to write. So this is my Just Notes card. And the theme is music, so you have these African music makers. So this is the thing. It's just a flip up thing. So there's the music. More music. Notes. I think I'm going to put papers on the back side so I can flip it and use it on the back side. So that's a space for notes. There's another musical theme thing there. And one of the things, this die where you're supposed to punch out all those little things, I've been punching them out, but I don't know if I like them punched out. So, and that's that one. More paper. More music making. Paper. Music making. I love these images. In the comments, could you let me know if you love these images? These images are so well done. So well done. And the die that I use for this one, the die is from a stash, because my stash got all kinds of stuff in it. It's LZBRDY. I don't know what that means. And it's the 3D background die. And you get the die, you get mats, and the holes are already punched, so you can even make an album, a flip chart, or whatever it is that you need. Or you can make one of those, a stand-up thing. And that's what the dies look like. I forgot, it's a flip chart thing, where it sits like that. You can make one of those things, like a gift for somebody, and mount a picture on it like this, and it's a gift with a little thing on the back, like somebody had a baby, you got the picture of the baby, you put it on there. Infinite things, lots of things you can make from this. So, put in the comments what you think. I think these pictures are just gorgeous. If you have this die, put under it. If you got a video, you made something from it, link it, let me know, I'll go watch. I'm just happy how it came out and how well it looks. And I'm just real thrilled with all the pictures that I found to do this. So I'm going to have this upstairs when I have to take notes, when I'm sitting at my little, what do you call that thing? My little table when I'm watching TV, and I'm always taking a call or something like that, and I forget, and I have to write something down, so I'm just going to leave that up there. And this is just a little, it was supposed to be for a notebook, but I use them like this. So, that's my share. Follow the ladies on Two Crafters, One Design. If you follow the hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, you'll get to see all the people who are making makes for that. It's an open collab. You can join it whenever. you know, you have something that you want to share, follow the ladies. I'll put them in my description box. Follow them, and they'll tell you what the next week's theme is if you want to join that. But it's these two hashtags are really good for keeping your creativity going. If you can't think of something that you want to do, but you don't want to go and mail something and do something but you just want to do something creative, sit at your table, do something creative, follow these two hashtags. And I thank you for joining me today. I'll see you all in my next video. Remember, like I always say, self-care is not selfish. Everybody take care of yourself. Be careful out there. And give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please press that subscriber button. And I'd be glad to have you here in my my little crafty family here. So see you all later. Bye now.